back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. Oh my god, I missed doing a review and I missed doing a proper video for you guys. Have you guys been holding up? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, I need to stop doing that. Okay, so I missed you guys and I'm just so happy to be back. I hope all of you have been doing great. I hope you've been staying blessed and all's been going well with you. Okay, so quick one. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on a body wash. Look, this is it. Okay, so I've been getting requests from some of my subscribers who I love. I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of requests asking for reviews on lightening soaps and washes, you know, that are really good for your skin, that are also budget friendly, that you can buy and use. Okay, so I decided to start a series where I will be reviewing, you know, different body washes, different soaps for you guys. Okay, so first on this list, okay, hold up, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to my channel? I'ma dance with y'all. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed, pause now, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I drop a video for you, because I love you, yes. And also, don't forget to like my videos, please. Like my videos, share my videos, and of course, leave a comment so that I know you guys are following up with the videos and all of that, okay? All right, so we're just gonna go into the video. This is the Latent Diamite. Look, I don't speak French. My French is really, so I'm just gonna skip the parts where we have French, okay, and go right on to the English version. And it's the Milk Collagen Glutathione Prime body wash. So it looks like that. Can you see it? Yes. Okay, so this body wash is fantastic, guys. I have a couple of clients who use this, and can you see, like, I just used a little bit of it just to have a feel of it, so that I'm giving you guys a very good review. I'm not just saying something that my clients said to me maybe when they bought it, but then again, that works because it's their real reviews from, you know, real people. But I also wanted to have a feel of this, so I had to pour like my regular body wash to try out this body wash for you guys. And it is glorious. So the feel on your skin is just smooth, like, whew, you know, smooth. And I love the fact that this is very moisturizing as well. So this is not just a lightening, regular lightening body wash. It doesn't dry out your skin or anything like that. It does give you this velvet feel to your skin, and it's very moisturizing. And I think it is because of one of the ingredients in here, cocoa butter. And you know, cocoa butter is a very, very, very good moisturizer, and is really, really amazing for dry skin. So I think the balance of these ingredients with the glutathione and every other lightening active with the cocoa butter is amazing. Okay, so I think this will be good for all skin types, and dry skin is going to benefit more from this because of the moisturizing properties of this wash. And guys, look at this thing. It's like 1,900 milliliters of product. It's a lot. So if you like to shower like 4 times a day and you want something really affordable, then please go for this. It is really good. So we're gonna look at some of the ingredients, okay? It's the major ingredients are glutathione, soybean oil, honey extract, I think neem oil, vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin A, and of course the cocoa butter that I talked about. So this is a very natural wash. It has a lot of natural ingredients in it, and you know, we're all trying to stay away from stuff that has so much chemicals in it. So if you're looking for that sort of product that is natural but will still give you really good results, then you can go for this glutathione comprium body wash. It's really good and it's really affordable. I think you can get it for about 3,000 to 3,500 naira. I sell it for 3,500 naira, and yeah, it's really good. Also, this with continuous use, just using this body wash, you're gonna get at least 2 shades depending on the skin tone that you're starting with. Now, a lot of people say, oh, I tried it didn't really do this, it didn't really do that. Well, there are lots of factors. First things first, what skin tone are you starting with? Okay, so if you're like a light skinned person, then definitely this, you know, starts to lighten you up and you can see really drastic results. But if you are like caramel or dark skin, you're gonna have to wait for this to do what it does. Okay, so you might not see the result immediately, but you're gonna definitely see the results. So from continuous use, this will give you 2 shades, okay, 2 shades lighter. And then I thought about it. I was like, okay, some people are gonna say, oh, this lightens, yes, but what about whitening? For those of us that love whitening. Yeah, I know you guys. I know you're just gonna pretend like, oh, I don't want to whiten my skin, but then again, you do. So yeah, for those people who want to, this is the serum. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is the glutathione serum. So what you can do to really activate this body wash and make it more effective is to take 1,000 ml of this. Please, this is like almost 2,000 ml, a lot of wash. So putting this one serum into this, you're not going to see much of a result. But if you take 1,000 out of this and you add 1 bottle of the glutathione prime, this is a super whitening serum, guys. This does not play, like, and I love it because it gives you a very natural toned, flawless toned appearance and none of that messy stuff. I don't like messy stuff. Okay, so this is fantastic. If you also want to add it to your lotions or you know, whatever, this is also good. I'm going to review it on another day and not in this video. I don't want this video to be too long. So yes, 1,000 of this, 1 bottle of this is going to give you a super whitening wash. Okay, so yes, this is a really good wash. It's moisturizing, it does lighten your skin. On its own, it will give you 2 shades. Mixing it with the serum, of course, it's going to do more for you. So yes, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I beg you, please subscribe. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share my videos with your friends and your family. Invite them to come and subscribe too. Okay, and try to work things out around my my busy schedule to make sure that I bring out these videos for you guys. So please support me and I would really appreciate it. Okay, I love you, and until my next video, please stay blessed and